Hi guys, today we have this cool Monopoly set that we bought last week, and today I'm unboxing it. Look, it says Hasbro Gaming. Hasbro Gaming. It's the company Hasbro. And look, there's this new thing. The thimble is back. I haven't played Monopoly or seen Monopoly before, but my friend showcased it, and I don't even know how to play it. But look, buy, sell, buy, sell, dream, and scheme. So yeah, you can scheme your opponents, bankrupt your opponents to win it all, to win money. Look this then. And so the characters are dog, penguin, duck, and the microphone thingy. I know the thimble, the cat, the hat. Oh wait, that rhymes actually. The car and the ship. And yes, game as a game board, 8 tokens, 28 title cards, 16 chance cards, 16 community chest cards, 32 houses, 12 hotels, 2 dice, money pack, and game guide. So let's open it with a good old Scissonas. So yeah, poke a hole here. Guys, remember when you're using scissors like this, you must have a parent. But then basically, I'm a 10 years old guy. Here was Hey, oh my god, this is sad. Build. So for the grand finale, let's open it. Damn! Here's the guide. Here's the 32 houses. And 12 hotels and 32 houses. Here's the money. Fat money, fat money. Oh, look. They're made of metal. Money, money, money. Money, money, money. You know something? This is made out of metal. It's made out of metal, bro. Dude, this stuff is made out of metal. Look, it's a penguin. But he's the biggest bird. But the dog, the hat, the car. I woke up in a new Bugatti. A cat, a ship. The duck and the thimble. Oh wait, look, this looks perfect. No, 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 no. I'm gonna put the top hat. The thing's too big. I can put this on a title cards. Guys, this is the title cards. Really nice. And I like the shape already. Like, bro, it's so damn big. And so look, this is the game board. Oh my god.
How many players? 4.
We have to see how many characters this includes with. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hey, my school group has 8 people. So this is Ngam Ngamu. So yeah, by the way, I'm having a Children's Day party, and my teacher told me to bring. So yeah, where's the dice? Oh, the dice is in here. Hard to open. Oh wow, the things stacked perfectly together when I came it out. You can resume that if you want. You can resume that if you want. But then look, some money. And there's some money. And then you find. Okay, I found out where to open. You open first. Okay. Mm. Money, 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 cha-ching, cha-ching. Shishing, shishing. Shishing, shishing. Shishing, shishing. Shishing, shishing. Got 32 houses and 12 hotels. Okay. So this is the thing. Properties. There are three types of properties. Streets, which comes in color sets. Stations and utilities. Unowned property. When you land on the unshown street,